Maya had 19 stickers and gave away 5. How many left? Answer, 14. 9 minus equals 3. Answer, 6. What time is shown on the clock? 6 o'clock. Answer, 6 o'clock. Minus 5 equals 0. Answer, 5. What is the value of a dime? Answer, 10 cents. What is 9 minus 2? Answer, 7. 5 minus equals 4. Answer, 1. Minus 3 equals 3. Answer, 6. What is 9 minus 2? Answer, 7. 5 cats and 1 more joined. How many now? Answer, 5 plus 1 equals 6. Minus 6 equals 2. Answer, 8. What is the value of a penny? Answer, 1 cent. What time is shown on the clock? 10 o'clock. Answer, 10 o'clock. 4 cats and 1 more joined. How many now? Answer, 4 plus 1 equals 5. What time is shown on the clock? 12 o'clock. Answer, 12 o'clock. 2 cats and 5 more joined. How many now? Answer, 2 plus 5 equals 7. What is the value of a quarter? Answer, 25 cents. Maya had 15 stickers and gave away 5. How many left? Answer, 10. 9 minus equals 5. Answer, 4. 4 cats and 5 more joined. How many now? Answer, 4 plus 5 equals 9.